Ashok ji, respond to that, but I think my question is very, very simple. There is a mention of irrigation project. I don't think any sensible Goan will say that or will deny water for drinking purposes. I think we are clear on that from day one. Now the issue comes about irrigation. Now the issue comes about industrial use of the water. Now, what Nirmala Sawant is saying that at least be equally sensible.
No industry, no irrigation. Only drinking water purpose we are seeking water from the Mhadei.
What is the meaning of multi-purpose? What is the meaning of irrigation?
You show me. You show me the document in Panchal. Before Panchal Tribunal, we are very clear in terms. 7.56 TMC we want for 13 taluka of 4 district plus Hubballi Dharwada. Whatever you have raised the issue, all issue have been discussed in the tribunal. You are also not a tribunal. I am also not tribunal. It is tribunal. Before tribunal, all issue addressed. Well, outside the tribunal, we can't discuss all those things. Already, Panchal Tribunal discussed the issue, and finally, it has given its verdict on 14th August of 2018. What is in raising the argument again and again and again? Unnecessary. It is unnecessary.
Sir, I would like to state one thing here. Mhadei Abhiyan had gone to the court, and in August 17, we got a judgment. Learned Council for the state of Karnataka.
2018 August 14.
This is for Mhadei Bachao Abhiyan.
2018 August 14th. Tribunal.
No, Mhadei
Bachao. Ashok, she's citing something. Let her cite, then I'll come to you. Yeah, go ahead.
Learned Council for the state of Karnataka says that no construction is going on in the area in question. That is in Kalsa. That is Kalsa Bandura project. And that no construction will be carried out. This is Falin Nariman, the Council for Karnataka is telling. In view of this, nothing further survives in this application which are disposed of accepting the statement of Learned Council for the state of Karnataka. You are saying there is no construction is going on and no construction will be done. Kalsa construction is done. Bandura construction is yet to be done. And still you are fighting for the Bandura water?
Yeah, I think Ashok, the question is very simple. The submission of Karnataka in the court and the ground reality are completely different. We all know that construction has taken place. We have seen the visuals. We have even seen water being diverted already. So, Ashokji, the question is trust deficit. There is a huge trust deficit here when it comes to Goa because Karnataka has time and again stated something in the court and done exactly opposite on ground. Don't you agree this trust deficit, it is Karnataka's responsibility to take care of this trust deficit?
One thing I tell you, in 2015, Supreme Court has sent its delegation, a team of justice to the site. They have instructed to build a wall, after going through all the things, and stopped whatever was leaking water from the construction. After 3 years, in 2018, we have been allotted 3.8 TMC water, and Goa has given its share. Even after the Panchal Tribunal award, Goa went to the Supreme Court, tried its best to stop the Gazette publication for 4 months. All issues, whatever Madam said, all issues have been raised in 4 months. In 2018, September, October, November, December. After going through all the issues, Supreme Court has given its verdict on February 20.
I'm speaking what Supreme Court has told.
Subhash, a simple question. I think I mentioned about the trust deficit precisely because the matter went on for a decade. The question is what Karnataka said in the court, even during that trial, and what was happening on ground. There were glaring contradictions in that. Don't you think the trust deficit on Goa's part has basically emerged because of this kind of very, very double standards? You say one thing in the Supreme Court, something else happens on the ground, then Supreme Court comes down heavily on you, then the tribunal comes down heavily on you, then you rectify the situation on ground. There is a history. I understand there is a verdict, the verdict has been challenged, but there is also history which prompts us to say that what is the guarantee that only this much of water will be taken away and it will be only for drinking purposes. Don't you think these are legitimate concerns?
Center will appoint definitely Mhadei Water Management Authority shortly.
Mhadei authority will be appointed by the center. But what is the guarantee that management will be fair enough? Because the situation will be in the Karnataka land, so it will be under the control of Karnataka. What is happening in the past will be continued in the future.
Mhadei Authority will be appointed by the
Center
center. It will monitor
center
the-
is bending on 28.
You are saying center is ranking on 28 MPs.
Center is tilting on 28.
You are political issue 28, 1, 21, and it is apart from politics. We should keep the politics as far as water sharing is concerned. There are so many disputes with Telangana, so many disputes with Andhra, so many with Maharashtra. In water and all those things, we should not mix up the.
Ashokji, but how can we say that?
Yes,
the
yes,
approval to DPR comes
Yes.
because of an election.
Yeah.
The whole political
One thing I tell you.
drama begins because of
Why-
the
why-
election.
why-